And we are back trading again. So situation has changed a little bit. I managed to get back the DOT I got liquidated for and closed the trade with slight profit because I just didn't feel comfortable holding a 3x leverage that high of a position because I have a bad feeling about this. Markets usually occasionally betray anyone who is too bullish, and that's why I made these adjustments to my Polkadot trade. First of all, I switched the leverage to 2x and I placed these new buy orders within certain price ranges. So at the moment, if we take a look at, let's say, 4-hour chart, we are ranging between this $4.5, $4.6 per dot. So of course I wanted to be in a trade, so I opened this really small $250 market position, but then I started to place limit orders. First one is just underneath this area where we seem to be ranging now. Then I have a $1,000 position, much lower, 4.2. If we revert, probably will revert. Although usually crypto tests these low levels, it often does double bottoms and so on before heading higher. So I also have these highest buy orders at under $4. So that's how I'm sleeping much more comfortably with my DOT position. I also didn't feel comfortable with my Ethereum position, especially it looks like, well, this pattern is usually a bit bullish. It usually takes that, or at least often takes one more leg up, but we are not seeing this. It usually happens rather sooner than later, and the fact that we're not seeing this one leg to $2,800 Ethereum means that, at least for me, it signals that maybe we are gonna go down, or maybe at least this ranging seems to be much stronger with Ethereum. We have this approximately 24 plus 25 hundreds range where Ethereum is ranging, and that's why I placed my another buy order at the lower end of this range. So I am a bit more comfortable with Ethereum, especially that I switched my leverage to 2x. And with Bitcoin, I'm not gonna. I do have this take profit order. Or do I still? No, actually, I don't even have that anymore. So my Bitcoin, it's only such a small position. It can keep on trading, whatever happens. And yeah, let's take a look at this. In my opinion, it's very crucial to look at these funding rates, like DOT funding rate. It just keeps on staying negative, and it's much more difficult for the price to make these huge capitulation candles when we don't have positive funding rate. Of course, I'm not expert in this. I'm just amateur trader feeling this, trying to make a living. But anyways, that's what my experience tells me. And also, when you bet against the funding rate, you will be paid interest. And especially when the market picks up, these position size are going to be much higher, and then this interest, it can also become significant. At least you can buy groceries with it. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to do this before the situation changes too much and I lose the track of it. But anyways, happy trading.